we are the world's number one.
Fantastic company.
Remarkable product.
It's excellent. It's excellent.
Fantastic product.
There is no words to express, but this is something which has got sent to India.
Lots of benefits.
It's really like a miracle.
I believe in the company. I believe in the product. Total satisfaction.
Our gel is the world's best.
We are the best.
Excellent products which do not have any side effects, and plus, we are honored.
The products are phenomenal.
FLP products are simple, genuine and honest. They are 100% result oriented.
FLP is your future.
मेरे कज़िन है मामा जी का लड़का, उसको ब्रेन अटैक आया था, फिर वो एलोवेरा जेल से वो ब्रेन स्ट्रोक से रिकवरी हुआ उसका। फिर मैंने खुद यूज़ किया 20-25 दिन और फिर पावर जो देखा, फिर मैं इसको मार्केटिंग में आ गया। B12 के बाद में तो फैंटास्टिक इसमें मतलब कि जो रिजल्ट्स हैं वो बहुत ही फैंटास्टिक। तो सीक्रेट ये है कि ये प्रोडक्ट इतना जानदार है और प्रोडक्ट में क्या बोले अभी उसको कि मतलब वो इमेजिन नहीं कर सकते। मेरे जो रिलेटिव है उन्होंने ब्लड कैंसर के पेशेंट्स को दिया और उसको बहुत अच्छा रिलीफ मिल रहा है जस्ट बिफोर 1.5 मंथ।
मैंने एक ब्लड कैंसर वाले को भी देना शुरू किया और 1 महीने के अंदर उनको 2.5 kg ग्रोथ बताया उन्होंने वेट में, और रेड ब्लड सेल्स भी जो है उनके बेटर हुए, ऐसा वो बता रहे हैं। मेन मैंने एक एसिडिटी के अंदर दिया, मेरी फैमिली में उनको एसिडिटी का क्रॉनिक प्रॉब्लम था, बट शी इज़ ऑल राइट। अब वो मिर्ची मसाले भी खा सकते हैं। उसके साथ फिर उन्होंने ये भी बोलना शुरू किया कि मेरे को ब्लाउज ढीला होने लग गया, इट मीन्स वेट लॉस आया।
Products are simply phenomenal. Nothing to beat it. All natural. Everybody seems to benefit from them, and that's what it's all about.
We found the products very helpful. It helped a lot of people, and it's from then on, 3 months now that I've become manager now.
I was passing by Asiatic stores at Churchgate and I seen a group of foreigners there. I got curious. I went, excuse me, what is this? They just said, meeting, seminar, ambassador. I went for it. When I seen the video where a girl was sharing her testimony from her heart, she was in tears and she said about her life past and present. I correlated that to my life. I was in tears. It touched me and I said, yes, this is a good company, and that's why I signed up. Then I used just one. That's a tooth gel for my son. He had a problem with his tooth, milk tooth falling down. He couldn't eat sometimes. When he used it for 4 days, his milk tooth fell off. I felt this is something good. And then I started doing Forever Living. I've seen the last 2 years now with Forever Living, I've seen the results. Old ladies coming to me and saying, Baba, thank you very much. The shades are turning back to normal color. The quality is marvelous. I believe we have no competition. Of course, and I read a lot about the company. We have our own research and development where quality is tested at every stage.
Many millionaires will turn up. It's going to be very easy in the coming next 5-6 months. I think FL will become the talk of the town. Forever Living products will become a talk, including presidents, prime ministers of our nation will talk about FLP.
I met a particular paralysis in 1999. Afterwards, you see, I was having lots of problems in my body, you see. There was a heating element like that in this very side, and this hand was not working properly. And after using this product, you see, say around after 3 months, after using this product for around 3 months, I was okay in all respects, you see. I'm quite healthy now, healthy, I'm wealthy as well. My wife is now don't have any problem as far as the health is concerned. She's okay in all respects. My son is okay. My both sons are okay. एक को तो मुहासे थे बहुत बड़े. Now he's very much smart nowadays.
I am 81 qualified chartered accountant and I am doing my own practice from day one. And I have gone to my regional council election as a chartered accountant. So that is my personal status. But why I have opted this? Because here I can help people, which otherwise as a chartered accountant one cannot. So far as the health is concerned, so far as the beauty is concerned, it is not possible to provide to anybody. That is why I have opted this. And at the same time we can offer business opportunities. That too for a younger person, that too to a poor people, that too who is having a multi-millionaire property. Even then I can offer the opportunity to them.
I am a living testimony of FLP products because when I heard about the products, I was in bed. I was almost bedridden because I have a neck problem which is spondylitis,
and I used to have severe sciatic problem. So when both the ends of the spinal column are bad, you can imagine all the small and big joints were in pain. And my life was, like a bedridden person. And from there, when this friend of mine, Renuka Raut, she came to me with the products, and in fact she suggested the business also, and I said at this point of time I cannot take up any business because health wise I'm so weak and I cannot take up any responsibility. She said, okay, fine, you use the products, and in case you find any benefit, then we will think about it. So I started using the products. Within 15 days I was up and about in the house. Within a month and a half I was driving back. But of course I did not wait for that month and a half long period. I just realized within a week, okay, how powerful the products were, and then I started going through the literature what she had given me, and I found the business plan also excellent, because I'm from network, I was doing something else, and I could understand the honesty of the plan. It's a very, very honest and genuine plan. All the products are just wonderful. Starting from the aloe vera jelly to drinking gel to berry nectar, UTI problems and all those problems, is because it boosts up the immunity, the immune system, and it starts regenerating healthy cells.
My Masi, she's working for St. George Hospital, and she had a very high level of diabetes and high blood pressure. So because of all these complications, doctors couldn't do anything, and though she's from the medical field, she was just lying there helpless. And when I went to see her, I told her about aloe vera, and then she took one bottle and she started feeling really very good. And that's how from that time onwards, I'm very, very happy that this product is actually working for people who have literally lost hope and who are from the medical field. Forget people like us, because we don't have much knowledge about the medical things. There's one more downline of mine whose daughter is just 16 years old, and she had this kidney stone. So her kidney stone was out literally after just one bottle of berry nectar, which was again it was literally like a miracle.
Patience and faith, that is main thing. You cannot say I have had just one gel and I'm not finding any relief. You have to have patience and faith, of course. That is the main thing.
My mother is 78 years old. If at all she's alive today, it's because of aloe vera product, how it has helped her. My brothers, all the other family members, my wife, myself included. I was 37 plus waist. I'm 33 and a half.
Initially I didn't believe them, but yes, later on, when I saw the results coming from people locally using the products, my belief in the company came. Belief in the products came.
And I would like to grow and grow and grow and multiply.
The real sense of me joining FLP came in when I saw the magnificent, the miraculous way the aloe worked on my son, who was when he was 2 years old, developed asthma or developed wheezing problems. He couldn't have Pepsi, he couldn't have ice creams. Even one spoon of ice cream would lead us to rushing him to the hospital. But someone came from the Philippines and said that this works, that he was an acute asthmatic patient, and this worked. Here in Bombay, doctors had said that no, he has to live lifelong because the pollution in Bombay with an inhaler at hand as an SOS in the house. But today, thanks to the aloe vera gel, my son is totally out of it. He can have 3 cups of ice cream, he can have Pepsi and all other things, thanks to the gel.
I found the product was very, very good.
Aloe vera basically is God's gift to mankind because it's got the natural abilities in it to bring in all kinds of miracles around in your health conditions. There's nothing else, I believe, which can give such good, magnificent, excellent health to anybody.
Yeah, they're fantastic products. Unlike anything in the market, our family really benefited from them.
I was having acidity problem, and my father also having high blood pressure. So because of which, I started using the products first, and I feel the products really help me. So that's why I involved in the business. And then 2 years back, I came to India and start to expand the business here.
I had skin problem on my face. I had some rash and dark circles, which I had also gone to the skin specialist, and but he would not give me any proper ointment or medicine for my skin because he said your skin is very sensitive. Then I took some products from here, that is the soap, jelly and R3 factor, by which it really turned my face. That means the skin on my face really started to glow. And then people started to ask me that how is it, Suraya, what have you done for your face? So I said, see, this is the product which I'm using. And by this I was able to get more and more, customers and friends asking me about myself.
I didn't using any cosmetic outside, so because I'm very scared, outside the products will harm my skin and everything. So this company with the cosmetic products is my first product, what I'm using. So, and we launched in 1998, we have a cosmetic. Up till now, I'm using all cosmetic. It doesn't harm my skin, and I find compared with outside, I went to outside to check the other product, the quality. It's totally different. I cannot find another, outside products just like our products, the quality and the natural.
Distribute these products to all our friends and our relatives also, because we don't have, any tension saying that no, how are we to recommend these products. We are now challenging people that yes, you use our products and you see how it betterments. And by this, if you feel that these products are little pinching, you can do business also with this, by which these products become free for you. And this is the same concept which I have been telling everybody.
FLP is going to be a household product to be used by every household. There is no saturation of the product, and everybody really needs it. One may live without TV, without television, without motorcycle, but one cannot live without health. It's a basic requirement.
I had been suffering from a very bad problem of low backache and also acidity for the last 10 to 12 years. I used the product for 2 months. I got rid of all the problems. That made me think to join the business. There's only one superstar of a company, that's the aloe vera gel. Apart from that, we've got other products to go with it, like the honey. The activator, of course, I find is the most beneficial product. The tooth gel.
Number one is aloe vera gel, and same level there is 4 products is number one. One is tooth gel, one is shampoo and honey, and these 1, 2, 3 products are very good. Feature is excellent because I traveled in same FLP in Dubai and Malaysia and Taiwan, Kuala Lumpur and all.
Future in FLP, it's really very good. I can see myself as a diamond manager.
I realized that company is excellent and well planned and well organized. This is the right product to clean the industry and stay health and all things. And same way, and physically also fit and financially also fit. And product is result oriented.
We joined FLP for health and wealth.
These products are fantastic even for animals. Yeah, talking of animals, we have thoroughbreds who are using the products. Also have all kinds of pets. In fact, this is the only company, FLP, which is endorsed by KBIS, which is an insurance company in the UK, which is for pets, dogs and cats, and these products are endorsed.
प्रोडक्ट का जहाँ तक सवाल है, मेरे ख्याल इतने अच्छे प्रोडक्ट कभी भी किसी प्रोड्यूसर ने इस संसार में नहीं बनाए.
It is the phenomenal products and the fantastic, simple, relatively simple marketing plan, in spite of having 10 levels of incomes, but all these levels are achievable, and money, security, guaranteed, and health is wealth. So you have it all. It's all in one nutshell.
मेरी मदर को एक एक्सीडेंट हो गया था, उनको थोड़ा ब्रेस्ट में प्रॉब्लम हो गया था. We got checked up everything. It was not cancer, but this mammary gland, it became very hard. It became like a rock. Then it was to be operated. It was operated about 5 years back. There was a surgery, and on the surgery, what we could see last year, there is some poison is coming, like something pus formation has come. I had the product like jelly. I told my wife, the jelly is very, very impressive. Why don't you try this? You see, my mother applied the jelly in the affected area only in 1 day. The very next day, it was normal. It became red, and the very next day, it became the normal. It was something which it brought my mother from that fear that something is there inside. I'll tell you about my personal experience. My eyesight, I was facing some problem. I was not able to see with my regular specs, so I went for the checkup. My right was 1.5, left was 1, -1. Okay. Doctor checked and he said, your right is 0.75 and left is 0.25. So he asked me, what is the, why it is? Because I'm 46. I'm 46 and at this stage normally it increases. The credit goes to aloe vera because for the last 7 months I'm regularly on the aloe vera. I'm drinking it on a regular basis. This is the only plan which gives you the future security. We are not only making the monthly checks, very fat checks, but we are securing the futures.
I was a patient of sinusitis, migraine, and I was suffering from dust allergy for the last 30 years. And for the last 30 years, I was living on Novalgins. I was popping a painkiller called Novalgin religiously every day, at least one. When I say at least one, sometimes it used to be 2 or 3. Now that did not give me relief, okay, just temporary relief, but I also suffered from stomach ulcers because of the Novalgin. And well, I couldn't even bear the sight of breakfast, leave alone have it. A common friend of ours, mine and Sumitra's, Rekha Kumar, she came to me and she told me that why don't you take this yellow gel, it has helped me also. And I started having the product, and in about 6 days I got the results. In 6 days I realized, first time in 30 years I didn't need a Novalgin. I drank FLP, I thought FLP, I breathed FLP, and I still am doing that, and I will continue to do that for as long as I live.